In today's video, I'm going to show you how to resubscribe a customer in HubSpot. Whether you're managing a few contacts or an entire list of subscribers, keeping your communication preferences up to date is essential for maintaining strong client relationships. Let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and head over to the HubSpot homepage. Once the page loads, click on the login button in the upper right corner. If you're already a HubSpot user, this will feel familiar. Just enter your email address and password, then click Sign In to access your account. After logging in, you'll be taken to your HubSpot dashboard. This is your main workspace where you can access all of your CRM tools, marketing features, and communication settings. Now, from the top navigation bar, locate and click on CRM, then select Contacts from the dropdown. This section contains all of your stored contacts along with their details and interaction history. Once you're in the Contacts section, browse through your list or use the search bar to find the specific customer you'd like to resubscribe. When you find them, click on their name to open their contact profile. You'll now see a detailed view of that contact, including their engagement history, emails, and subscription preferences. On this page, look for the More option, usually located near the top of the screen or in a drop-down menu. Click on More, and from the list of available actions, choose Edit and you can see Edit Communication Subscriptions. This will take you to the subscription management page, where you can control which types of communication this contact receives. Here, you'll see a list of available subscription types such as newsletters, marketing updates, or product announcements. To resubscribe the customer, simply check the boxes next to the subscriptions you want them to receive. If you're managing multiple subscription categories, make sure to select only the ones relevant to their interests. Once you've made your selections, scroll down and click Save to apply the changes. That's it. You've successfully resubscribed a customer in HubSpot. From this point forward, your client will once again receive emails and updates based on the preferences you've set. Regularly reviewing and updating your subscription settings helps maintain compliance with email regulations and ensures your contacts only receive the content they care about. It's a great habit to revisit these settings occasionally, especially if your business offers different types of communication or marketing campaigns. And that wraps up today's tutorial. I hope this guide helped you understand how to resubscribe customers easily in HubSpot. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and checking out our other HubSpot tutorials for more quick, practical tips to help you get the most out of your CRM. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.